A question that regularly comes up, which again is about the C grade standard, is about questionnaires. And you'll be given a sort of question, you'll be asked what's wrong with it, two ways, or two things that are wrong with it. And often the two things they look for are the same. In the question you're buying something or doing something, but there's no time period specified. So what I mean by that is, if I say how many magazines do you buy, well, that's going to vary, isn't it, in a week or a month or a year. So unless we say the time, we don't really know what they're getting at. So the first thing I would say is that there's no time period given. Okay, so, and that for example, i.e. means for example, day, week, month. It's not there, and so that's going to cause problems. The second thing is that in the response boxes, let's say we bought 4 magazines and say it was per month. Where do I put my answer? Does my 4 go here, or does it go there? So what we have here, it's called overlapping response boxes. Okay, so overlapping response boxes. So if you were then asked to write a better question, then you would write something like this. How many magazines do you buy? So almost the same question, do you buy, and then putting a time period by each. And then probably a week or a month would be the best thing to put. Could be a day, but it's not likely many people will buy loads every day. So each week or say month. And then when you put the response boxes in, you make sure that all possible, there's no overlapping boxes, and also let's go 5 to 10, 11 to say 15, and then let's put a 16 plus in. So every possibility, if I don't put any boxes, I go here. There's no overlaps. If I buy over 16 boxes, I go there. And that would get you 4 marks for a question like that on a GCSE paper.